that took place long ago. Found an angel love in heaven. They say she up and ran away. We take for granted how precious life can be. Just hold on and I'm sure you'll understand it. We can enter this world precious You leaving? I'm gonna write one too. I'm gonna write a motherfucking poem about that corner shit. Actually, we're gonna be doing a reality show. Me and Jeff out there on the corner, man. I'm gonna let you know about this shit. We in the beginning stages right now. You know Jeff crazy ass. Watch. Man, come on out there, dog, and holla at me. Matter of fact, I got a store out there on 22nd and Lewis. It ain't no physical store. It's virtual. So you just see my shit out there outside. Just, you know, you ride by and see my shit. You know what I'm saying? Hey man, how much is that Bob Marley? Man, it started at 50, dog, but for you, 40. That's what I do all day. That's my own business. You can't fire me. You can't lay me off. You know what I'm saying? I can smoke weed in my job. I ain't got to take no drug test. I can drink. Even though I don't, I can. I ain't telling y'all to quit y'all job. I'm just telling y'all better come up with some more shit to go with your job. I don't give a fuck if it's illegal or illegal, but it's probably best that it be illegal. And you can last a long time and do something for these kids. So they ain't out there, but they ain't out there.
Punch